Hello, I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing wonderful. I hope you're discom. What a beautiful day. Now I'm happy. Now I'm bearing good news. No more bad news. No more pessimistic views. It's always my views. It's just I analyze what I see. Now I see good times. Good times and good times. Beautiful. Woo wee. We heard nothing but doom and gloom the whole time. And folks, the sky's not falling. Don't listen to no one. All right. This is the VIX, the fear indicator, and it gave us a beautiful rejection in the. Let me put this bad boy. Yeah. Okay. Beautiful rejection in a form of rejecting the 35 level that we got into during the June bottom. So we reached that fear level, and also an amazing bearish engulfing that showed shift of sentiment while we trading. It's amazing how the VIX reverses in the same day. It's really weird. I noticed that it's always reverses. It's not the day before the same day of the bottoming. So what happened? You opened high, the end is near, whoa, boom, and it happened, a bearish engulfing with a high in the price action and a high where you have a high and lower high in stochastic, and it's losing its 80 level. So by tomorrow, it's going to be less than 80, which is really beautiful, which means change of sentiment and weakness in the price action. And also, you lost that strong level in the RSI, and you closed at 60. 60 is a high reading, but still, it's better than 70. And usually, when you lose it, you go down fast, like what happened in 26th of Jan. We lost it quickly right here. Every time you lose it, sometimes you have another go, and sometimes not. So we would have a confirmation once we have a bearish disco combo, or you have a bearish MACD along with the bearish stochastic, and the RSI going below 50. So good times in the VIX. No one can say otherwise. Alrighty, TLT, the ETF for 20 plus bonds. And the price action is definitely beautiful. It's like you have a kicker. A kicker usually is the best reversal candle ever, and it's the rarest. Sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't. That's why this market is crazy, because it really defies a lot of the logic and a lot of the technical analysis because of the continuous change of sentiment all the time. Oh God, what happened? So supposedly this was a kicker in the 21st of September. Did not work. Boom. So usually a kicker is a beautiful, beautiful candle. Okay. So we need a bullish MACD, stochastic going over 20, and RSI going over 50. Yet it is absolutely a beautiful action, but we need more confirmation right here, okay? But we have to celebrate it too. So we celebrate the price expansion in TLT, UUP, the ETF for the dollar. And what happened? It's like the VIX. You have bearish engulfing. You started strong, then boom. And you didn't engulf the body of that day. You engulfed two bodies, and you got closer to the third body, and you closed the gap. That has never been good. 130 in an index for currency, it's not easy. This is definitely a change of sentiment. But you will have another go because you still have an embedded reading with a stochastic over 90 and a strong RSI, yet we don't forget what happened here. Some people just look at the exact pattern. I had people obsessed with the exact pattern. So you have a white candle, a small body, and a bullish engulfing. If you opened here and you engulfed the body here, they will call it evening star. But to me, it has the same effect. This is like an evening star. It is definitely bearish. You might have another go later on, but it's definitely bearish. It changes sentiment. Usually when you have parabolic moves like that, you don't correct sideways. You go parabolically to the downside. Same way. So bearish on the dollar. All right. This is the Dow Industrial. Oh, what a beautiful thing happened here. So far you have a bear trap. And the fireworks will start very soon. Very, very soon. And now you're no longer in a breakdown mode. From failed moves comes fast move to the opposite direction. So we are no longer in breakdown mode in the Dow Industrial. Good deal. Also, I did this a while ago just to see the worst case scenario, and the average was 10% of the previous meltdowns. This one was above the average, was 15%. Yet, if it goes above average this way, it will go above average the other way too. Okay, remember that. This rally is supposed to be stronger than the one in June. Okay, we don't know the future, but it's very close. Now we have a bearish stochastic and a bearish MACD, so we need to work more on changing the whole thing. Okay. S&P, my God have mercy. We really were cheering for you. We were so scared yesterday. We thought we were gonna break down. We undercut the low, but we closed inside, which was a form of bear trap. If you ask me, I will tell you that day, that was I tweeted that bear traps were set to every bear and every indice and also stocks. Okay, so what happened? You had a beautiful white candle with good average, good trading average. Don't belittle this. This is an amazing candle. So we trapped the bears in the S&P yesterday, and we trapped them in the Dow today. Okay. Gold. Oh my God, have mercy. I was really happy with a red candle, an inverted hammer, and a hammer. Now look at this. I don't know what we call this. By the way, they would call this a morning star if the body was lower. But you don't get obsessed. You don't obsess with the definition. You just care about the psychological thing. It's a huge change of sentiment. This is gold does not go up in one day that much. It's not. And also, what did I say? Bear trap too. The bears really they fell in love with the trend. You do not. I got caught many times falling in love with any trend, but please do not fall in love with any trend. Always be ready to change this swiftly. So they trapped them. They undercut this low, and they trapped them, and this body took two days and half of a third day. This is definitely a shift of sentiment. Still bearish in every indicator except the RSI, but it's very soon. If we have another 1%, we will have a disco combo, and it will be gorgeous, and it will give me a big boost psychologically. I took risk. I made money. Thank you God. I made a lot of money today and yesterday. But it will give me a boost psychologically to take risks more and more and more, even though I took a lot of risk for the last 2 days. Okay? Good deal. So that's gold. Silver, another thing. If you look at this, but this one is definitely a morning star because you have a red candle, small body. You opened above that small body. I'm getting obsessed. I got obsessed with the definition too. I really don't care about the definition. It's all about the psychology. So this is a morning star. And it's definitely a big shift in sentiment for silver. Definitely. And we are very, very close to go back in the beautiful disco combo. Let me look at the weekly. I looked at the weekly and I really loved it the other day. Let's see what's going on here. Hi, I like the apples. You have a disco combo. I'm so happy when I see this. I'm getting, oh God, I don't want to say it. It's plus 18. I'm not gonna say it. Okay. So, oh God, it's a bullish disco combo in the weekly with bullish divergence. This is the best. Every time this happens, beautiful things happen to silver. And as I tweeted before, silver, GDX, and gold, they are the liquidity measurement in the market. If they go up, that means you have enough liquidity and the market will go up. If they go down severely, that means people are liquidating their cash equivalent to buy stocks, to average down sometimes. So it shows weakness in the market. When gold, silver, and gold stocks like GDX go down severely, sell off, watch out. And vice versa. If the market's selling off, gold, silver, and GDX are up, you're good to go. That's an indication of a bounce that will happen in the market very soon. Good deal. I'm so happy, man. I'm happy. I hate it even though the last videos I was not in the market, but it was definitely negative, and I hated just seeing it because I'm losing money as an opportunity cost. So to me, a bear market, a meltdown market, I'm losing money even though I'm not in the market because I could make money. And I don't want to do the short stuff. I don't like short selling. It's too dangerous for me. Okay, GDX. Okay, maybe I should have. I will do this last one because that's not a happy one. Let me go with the happy ones. Okay, so it is amazing how GDX so sophisticated. It works with Fibonacci extensions and retracement and I love that ETF. It is absolutely the best I've ever traded. And I don't know what to tell you guys. It works beautifully with behavioral finance, quote unquote technical analysis. So we broke down if this is A, B, this is C. So this is our trading range, and we met a full measure move, A, B, C. C is the exact measure move, 1-to-1, or they call 2 full measure move of this. And to the penny, and I could show you every breakdown. It ends with an extension to the penny. So what happened after that? We found buyers, we bounced, then this beautiful, I forget the name of this one, but it's a bullish candle, and you have a black candle inside of it. It's like a bullish harami, but I think it's a bullish harami because I'm used to the bullish harami, a green candle. Black candle means you close below the open, yet you close in the green. So, okay, this is a bullish harami. And what happened here? Oh, Maron, I'm here. This is one of the rarest candles. That's not only a kicker, this is a marbouzou. You opened at the low, you rallied, and you closed exactly at the high with an amazing above average volume. Amazing above average volume with a beautiful price expansion to the upside. Okay? So that's a beauty here. Let me look at the same thing with silver. beautiful bullish divergence, and you came out of over. So this is what I want to see. This is the beauty itself. This is the Mona Lisa right here. If you have above 20 stochastic, I'm good to go. Even though I participated in the rally yesterday, but it's beautiful, and it's going to be gorgeous once you have this bullish MACD, and you will have a beautiful disco combo. Oh Marona mia, beautiful, and also beautiful when you bounce from an exact measured move. And this is the one I don't like. We closed today at an exact seller zone at the 50% Fibonacci retracement from this high of 12th of September to the low of 26th of September. What a dark times. I don't like these times, even though I was not in the stock, but it was not happy times. Okay, good deal. So you close that seller zone, and it's not. Yeah, it's okay. Even if we go down, it's not. We're not going to sell off. We could retrace, even though I think we wouldn't. But the low of 22nd of September was 23.56, and we closed 23.59, which is good. So yeah, hopefully you will go for at least 24.80. Let me show you the 10, 20, 50-day moving average. Beautiful. So we're going to the mean. The mean usually is the 20-day moving average. So it is 23.78. There is nothing wrong with finding sellers here. Don't be scared. So usually when the 10, 20, and 50 get close together, they converge, and up we go, guys. Up we go. Oh, what a happy day. Please like if you like, share, subscribe, and do remember, disco is forever.